Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine. I am your instructor Sadia Hamid from Department of Chemistry. We were discussing about benzene and substituted benzene. In our previous lecture, we discussed about the different electrophilic substitution reaction in benzene. Today we are going to discuss about substituent effect in substituted benzene and making polysubstituted benzene. When benzene reacts with bromine in the presence of ferric bromide, we get 2-bromobenzene. My question is, what happened to the rate of reaction if we have any group or substituent attached to the ring? Is this faster or slower or maybe unchanged? Think about it. Let's take bromination of benzene in standard conditions. When benzene reacts with bromine in the presence of ferric bromide, bromobenzene is formed. Look at other some compound which is attached on the benzene ring. For example, if there is toluene present in the benzene ring, toluene react faster than the benzene itself. Similarly, oxybenzene are also react faster than benzene itself. And when chlorine or any carbonyl group is attached or nitro group is already present on the benzene ring, the reaction or the rate of reaction is very slow as compared to benzene itself. What's the reason behind that? We are going to discussing all these factors in our today lecture. The groups which is already present in the benzene ring, it directs the second interest and thus determine the position which may be taken up by it, or it may be attached on the ortho para position or meta positions, or these group also determine the rate of reaction. Is the reaction is faster or slower? So when electrophilic substitution reaction take place on benzene ring, we get only one mono-substituted benzene because all the 6 positions in the rings are equivalent. However, the position of second group in the ring depend upon the nature of first group. The second substituent may enter at ortho, para or meta position. If already group X is any substituent which is present on benzene ring, when any substituent is present on benzene ring, then any electrophile is attacked on the benzene ring. If it is attacked to second position, then orthoisomers is formed, and when it attach on the third position with respect to this substituent, it is a meta isomers is formed, and when it attach in the fourth position with respect to one, then para isomers is formed. So when an electrophilic aromatic reaction occur on the substituted benzene, where does the new substituent attach itself? These positions are determined the group which is already present on benzene ring, and these are 2 types of group: ortho and para directing group and meta directing group. Ortho substituted benzene, when 2 substituents occupy the position next to each other, this is known as orthoisomers. And when the substituent occupy position 1 and 3, then this is known as meta disubstituted. And when the substituent occupy position 1 and 4, then it is known as para disubstituted benzene. First, we will discuss ortho and para directing group. These group release electron toward the benzene ring and ortho and para position. Because these positions are rich in electron for attack of an electrophile, the second group or the substituent are attached at ortho and para position. And these ortho-para directing group also enhance the reactivity of benzene rings. When substituent is attached on the benzene ring, for example, OH group, NH2, chlorine, bromine, iodine, CH3, when these group are attached on the benzene ring, the incoming electrophile is attacked on the ortho and para position, and when any of these substituent is present on the benzene ring, it enhances the reactivity of benzene ring. Some other more activating group, these group are also known as activating group because it activate the rate of reaction as compared to benzene itself. Some activating groups are shown here. Any group which have lone pair of electron or negatively charged and any electron rich species which have ability to donate its electron towards the rings are known as electron donating group, because these groups release their electron pair towards the ring, so it increases the electronic density on the benzene ring. That's why it is known as electron donating group and also known as activating group. And all the electron donating and activating group are ortho-para directing. It's mean when these group are present on benzene ring, the incoming electrophile is only attacked on these two positions, that is ortho and para. NH2 is an ortho-para directing group. It has lone pair of electron. So nitrogen release its electron toward the benzene ring. When it's release its electron towards the benzene ring, then there is a pi bond between carbon and nitrogen is formed in the second resonating structure. And when the pi bond is formed, then the pi bond of carbons and carbon is shifted towards the second carbon to stabilize the valency of these carbon, because when here bond is present, then these carbons contain 5 covalent bond which is unstable structure. So maintain this stability, this pi bond is shifted toward these carbons, and in the next resonating structure this bond is shifted and negative charge is present on the para positions in the next resonating structure, and these pi electron is delocalized in the whole ring, and in the next resonating structure the negative charge is on the ortho position, and in the last resonating structure again amine group is present. So if you see all these resonating structure, the negative charge is on in ortho position, then para position, and then again ortho positions. So amine is electron donating group. It increase the electronic density on benzene ring in all the 6 available position, but it increase the electronic density more at ortho and para position. That's why any electrophile is easily attacked on these ortho and para position, because these two positions are electron rich positions, so highly nucleophilic positions, so electrophile can attack on these position. Similarly, OH group is also an electron donating group, so it resonate its electron density in benzene ring, and electron density is increased at ortho and para position as compared to meta positions. That's why electrophile is attacked on ortho and para position when OH group is present, because OH group is electron donating group. It release electron towards the benzene ring and increase the electronic density at ortho and para position. So when OH is present on the benzene ring and in the presence of nitric acid and sulfuric acid, so this condition is for nitration of benzene. So nitration take place and OH group is already present on the benzene ring, and OH is an ortho-para directing group. So nitro group is attached. Nitro group NO2 is electrophile. So this electrophile is attached on ortho position or orthonitrophenol or paranitrophenol. These two isomers are formed. One is 47%, another is 53%. So CH3 is an also orthopara directing group and also known as activating group. So when CH3 group is present and nitration take place, so the mixtures of ortho and para nitro isomers is formed. So mixture of para nitro orthonitrotoluene and para nitrotoluene is formed, and when the temperature is at 100 degrees centigrade, trinitrotoluene is formed, because toluene is a orthopara directing group, and due to the presence of these group, it makes the ring a good nucleophile. Due to this increased reactivity, and more nitro group can enter the ring and ortho and para position. Meta directing group. Meta directing groups mean when any substituent present on the benzene ring and incoming electrophile is attacked only on meta position due to presence of these group. These groups are known as meta directing group, because the presence of these group, it determines the positions of electrophile attacking electrophile. And meta directing group are also known as electron withdrawing group and deactivating group. Electron withdrawing group, these groups withdraw the electron of the benzene ring from ortho and para position. So due to the electron withdrawing effect of such substituent, the ortho and para positions are more electron deficient than as compared to meta position. That's why incoming electron is attacked on the meta position. These groups are meta directing group, and these decrease the chemical reactivity of benzene. That's why it is known as deactivating group. For example, NO2. NO2 is a meta directing group. When NO2 is present on the benzene ring, the incoming electrophile is attacked only on meta position. NO2 is electron withdrawing group. It withdraws the electron from benzene ring to itself, as compared to orthopara directing group. In orthopara directing group, it releases the electron towards the aromatic ring, while in meta directing group, it withdraws the electron towards itself. That's why it is known as electron withdrawing group or deactivating group or meta directing group. Some meta directing groups are shown here. Some example of that is sulfonic acid SHO3, carboxylic acid, aldehyde group, cyano group, nitro group. All these are deactivator. It deactivates the ring. It slows the chemical reaction or rate of reaction than benzene itself. That's why it is known as deactivator or electron withdrawing group. For example, if we have nitro group attached to the benzene ring, nitrogen has a positive charge. It has a positive charge. It's withdraw the electron towards itself. So nitrogen with less electronegative from oxygen. So it is a rule when the electronegativity of atom is less which is attached to the benzene ring. It withdraw the electron from the ring, making it less reactive and directing the new interest at the meta positions. And if the electronegativity of the atom group attached to the benzene ring is greater than the atom of the group, the whole group will act as electron repelling, and it increase the reactivity of benzene and all direct the new interest at ortho and para position. For example, we discuss in amine NH2, nitrogen with greater electronegativity from hydrogen. So nitrogen has greater electronegativity as compared to nitrogen, and it is directly attached to benzene ring, so it donating the electron toward the ring, and it is ortho para directing group. And in the nitro group, nitrogen is a less electronegative as compared to oxygen. So nitrogen is a less electronegativity, it is directly attached to the benzene ring. It withdraw the electrons from the benzene ring towards itself. When it's withdraw the electron from benzene ring, so it make the benzene ring electron deficient. So in the different resonating structures are shown here. In the first structure, if pi electron are withdraw towards the nitrogen, then the pi bond between the nitrogen and carbon, and here this position is electron deficient position. When this pi bond is shifted toward the nitrogen and this position is electron deficient position, so positive charge is present on this carbon. And in the next resonating structures, these the pi bond of the rings are delocalized over the ring. So to overcome the deficiency, these pi bonder jumps to between these two carbon, and the positive charge is on para positions. And in the next resonating structure, this deficiency, when this pi bond is shifted, this pi bond is shift here, then the positive charge is on the ortho positions. And you see here that these positive charge is on ortho, para, and again ortho position. It's mean nitro group withdraw the electron from the benzene ring. It decrease the electronic density on benzene ring in all the position, but much more at ortho and para position. So meta position is more electron rich as compared to ortho and para position in the presence of the nitro group. That's why the electrophile is attacked on the meta position. So here ortho position is electron deficient position, para position, and ortho position. All these positions are electron deficient position, and meta position is electron rich position. That's why the electrophile is easily attacked on these meta position as compared to electron deficient position. So nitro group which is present on the benzene ring, and then nitration take place in the presence of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. So nitro group is meta directing group. So it deactivates the ring and also make the electron deficient and ortho and para position. The incoming electrophile, that is NO2 positive group, is attached on the meta position, and meta dinitrobenzene is formed. Substituent that activate the ring make it more reactive than benzene itself. This is known as activating group, and remember that all the ortho and para directing group are activating group, and the substituent that deactivate the ring making it less reactive than the benzene itself, this is known as deactivating group, and all the meta directing group are deactivating group. All activating substituent are ortho-para directing. For example, if we have toluene, in the presence of ferric bromide, bromination take place. So toluene is ortho-para directing group, and if bromination take place, then bromine is attached either on ortho position or para position. So ortho bromo bromotoluene or orthobromomethylbenzene or para-bromomethylbenzene or para-bromotoluene is formed. Bromine is a weakly substituent, but it is also a ortho-para directing group. So when bromine is present on benzene ring and then chlorination take place in the presence of ferric chloride, then ortho-bromochlorobenzene and para-bromochlorobenzene are formed. Ortho and para isomer is formed when the bromine is present on the benzene ring, and when nitro group is present on the benzene ring, it is deactivating group, electron withdrawing group, and it is a meta directing group, and bromination take place, and then bromine is attached on the meta position and meta bromonitrobenzene is formed. Order of reaction is very important because some group are meta directing group and some group are ortho and para directing group. And if we synthesize meta bromobenzene sulfonic acid, so in this case we carefully follow the order of the reaction. For example, if we synthesize meta bromobenzene sulfonic acid, then first sulfonation take place because sulfonic group is meta directing group, and when sulfonation take place in the first step, in the second step bromination take place, and sulfonic acid group is attached on the benzene ring and it deactivate the ring and it attach the incoming electrophile of bromine on the meta position. And if we first bromination take place, then bromine is a ortho and para directing, and if bromination in the first step bromination take place, then bromine is attached, and in the second step sulfonic, when sulfonation is take place, then we have two isomers is formed, that is the ortho isomers and para isomers. So be careful when we synthesize or design the chemical reactions. In this case, benzene, when it react with the sulfuric acid, sulfonation take place, and sulfonic group is a meta directing group, and bromine take and bromination in the presence of ferric bromide, meta bromobenzene sulfonic acid, which is a required product, it is formed. And when bromination, suppose if first we take bromination, then bromination take place, bromine is attached, bromobenzene is formed. Bromine is a ortho-para directing group. So in the second step sulfonation is take place, so we obtain para bromosulfonic acid and ortho bromo. Since the position of electrophilic attack on the substituted benzene ring is controlled by substituted already present rather than the approaching electrophile, the order of events is in the synthesis of polysubstituted benzene need careful planning to ensure the success. If we have toluene and nitro, both these are different, both these have different electronic or resonating effect, because toluene is a ortho-para directing group and nitro group is a meta directing group. So if both these group is present, then reaction whenever we take nitration take place in the presence of sulfuric acids. So here in this case nitro group is attached in the second position, because these two group, because these with respect to toluene, this is the ortho and para directing group, and it direct the position in ortho. With respect to toluene, this position is ortho, and with respect nitro is a meta directing group. So with respect to these nitro group, it is a in meta positions. So both the methyl and nitro substituent direct the incoming substituent to these position. With respect to nitro, it should be meta, and with respect to toluene, it should be ortho directing group. Here, if both the electron donating group are present, both are ortho and para directing group, because OH group is present and CH3 group is present and bromination take place in the presence of ferric bromide, then with respect to this OH group, this position is ortho, and with respect to this position is meta. So which product is a major product? Either we formed 2-bromo 4-methylphenol, or we form 3-bromo 4-methylphenol. We see which one is a strong electron donating group. In methyl and OH group, OH group is a strongly activating group, and strongly activating group win over the weak activated groups. So the major products is 2-bromo 4-methylphenol, because phenol decide positions of incoming electrophile, because it is a strongly activating group as compared to toluene or CH3. Dear students, I hope all these things are clear to you. Here are some quiz. These quiz are related in our previous lecture, our previous topic. We have already discussed the structure of benzene on these two methods, and we have discussed the benzene as the cyclic structure. We have discussed the Kekulé proposed the cyclic structure of benzene, and X-ray studies also shows the regular hexagonal structures, which show that all the carbon-carbon bond length are equal. And we have also discussed about the delocalization of the pi electron in the benzene ring. So all these things shows that benzene doesn't resemble with the aliphatic hydrocarbons, so its straight chain structure is ruled out, and it is proved that it is a hexagon cyclic structures. We are going to discuss the second questions. Predict the major product of bromination of the following compound: toluene. If we have toluene, if CH3 group is attached on the benzene ring, bromination take place in the presence of ferric bromide, and bromination methyl group is an activating group. It is ortho-para directing group, and when CH3 group is present, then we get ortho-bromo methyl benzene and para-bromo methyl benzene. So if nitrobenzene is present, nitro group is meta-directing group, it is deactivating group. So nitro group is present and bromination take place in the presence of ferric bromide, meta-bromo nitrobenzene is formed, because nitro group is meta-directing group. Bromobenzene. Bromobenzene is ortho-para directing group. So bromination or chlorination, halogenation means chlorination. If chlorination take place, then we have orthochloro and para-chloro bromobenzene is formed. So when bromination take place, when bromine is present, bromine is a ortho-para directing group. So 1,2-dibromobenzene and 1,4-dibromobenzene is formed if bromobenzene is present. Benzoic acid. Benzoic acid COOH is a meta-directing group. So when benzoic acid is present and bromination take place, then bromine, which is a electrophile, it attacked on the meta position, and 3-bromo benzoic acid is formed. Benzaldehyde, just like benzoic acid, benzaldehyde is a meta-directing group. So in the presence of benzaldehyde, bromination take place and we obtain meta-bromobenzaldehyde is formed. So bromine is attached on the meta position. Phenol, OH. OH group is ortho-para directing group. When OH group is present and bromination take place, then ortho-bromophenol and para-bromophenol is formed. Let's check the exercise question which are related to benzene and substituted benzene. We have discussed question number 4th, 5th and 6th in our previous lecture. We have discussed the detailed mechanism of different electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, halogenation, nitration and sulfonation, and we have discussed about the structure of benzene. Now we are going to discuss about the structure formula for the following benzene derivative. We will discuss the question number 7. That is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Phenol, when OH group is present on the benzene ring, and this OH group is present on the benzene ring, and with respect to this position 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. The structure of 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol are shown here. Second, 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Position number 1 and position number 4. Chlorine is attached on the benzene ring at the position number 1 and position number 4. So its name is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. 4-nitrophenylamine. Phenyl means C6H5. Amine mean NH2 group. So C6H5 and NH2 group, it is known as phenylamine, and in the position of 4th position with respect to these amine, it in the position number 4 nitro group is present. So 4-nitrophenylamine. 2-methylbenzene sulfonic acid. SO3 is attached on the benzene ring, then its name is sulfonic acid. At the position number 2 methyl group is present. 2-methylbenzene sulfonic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, when COOH carboxylic acid is present on benzene ring, then its name is benzoic acid, and the position number 2 hydroxy OH group is present. So COOH and OH group is present on the benzene ring at the position number 2. 2-chlorophenylamine. Here the structure is similar to option C, that is at the position number 2 chlorine group is present and phenyl C6H5 and NH2 is amine group. So 2-chlorophenylamine. Next question is, predict the major product of the following reaction. Toluene is present, CH3 group is present on the benzene ring. So remember the conditions of the reaction. Hydrogen is added, mean hydrogenation take place in the presence of the metal catalyst. When hydrogen take place in the presence of metal catalyst, and when hydrogen is added in the presence of metal catalyst, then the hydrogen is added in the pi bond of the benzene ring, and it is converted into simple cyclic aliphatic structure, that is a cyclic structures of saturated compound. For example, if 3 hydrogen is added, then 3 double bond is hydrogenated and it is converted into cyclohexane. So in the first when toluene is reacted with the react with the hydrogen in the presence of metal catalyst, cyclohexane is formed. 3 pi bond or hydrogenate in the presence of metal catalyst. Sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid is present, and nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Nitric acid and sulfuric acid, in the presence of nitric acid and sulfuric acid, sulfonic acid is present. So it's mean nitration take place. So nitro group is attached on the benzene ring and sulfonic acid is meta directing group, and nitro group is attached on the meta position. So meta sulfonic acid is formed when sulfonic acid is react in the presence of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. CH3 xylene, paraxylene. CH3 is present and condition is alkaline KMnO4, and we have discussed that KMnO4 or any other oxidizing agent cannot oxidize the benzene ring, so it can oxidize the side chain or the alkyl group which is present on the benzene ring. So KMnO4, in the presence of KMnO4, these two methyl group is oxidized into carboxylic acid. So we obtain terpenthylic acid in the both the methyl group is converted into carboxylic acid. Nitro group is present. Nitro group is deactivating group. So it deactivating group mean it is a meta directing group, and in the presence of nitric acid and sulfuric acids, it is converted into 1,3,5 trinitrobenzene. The incoming electrophile nitro group is attached on the meta position with respect to these two nitro groups. So position number 3 is with respect to position number 1 nitro group, and position number 5 is a meta position with respect to position number 3 in nitro group. Second benzene is react with propyl chloride and aluminum chloride in the presence of aluminum chloride, which is act as a catalyst. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation take place and alkyl group is attached on the benzene ring, and we used propyl halide. So propyl group is attached on the benzene ring, and so product is isopropyl benzene because this group is a propyl group. This is a propyl group. So here CH3 CH, chlorine is attached, and this CH3. So in this Cl group is removed, this Cl group is removed, and hydrogen is removed from the benzene ring. It is converted into HCl. So in this position, the attachment of alkyl group, so this CH group is attached on the benzene ring, and isopropyl benzene is formed. Toluene CH3 and bromination take place in the presence of ferric bromide. Toluene is ortho-para directing group, so our product is either mixtures of ortho isomers and para isomers. So orthobromotoluene and para-bromotoluene is formed if bromination take place in the presence of toluene. Next question is, name the following benzene derivatives. So first, two bromine group is attached on the benzene ring and their position is 1, 3. So its name is in the first structure. So here 1, 2, 3. Its name is 1,3-dibromobenzene because two substituents are similar and we use the word di and tri. Option B, CH3 and CH3 is present. Then its name is 2-dimethyl benzene, or we also name, if we take the toluene as a reference, then its name is 2-methyl toluene, or we name its 2-dimethyl benzene. If 3-methyl group is present and the position number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so its name is 1, 2, 3 trimethyl benzene. Or if we take toluene as a parent compound, then its name is 2,3-dimethyl toluene. But the best that we should name it's 1, 2, 3 trimethyl benzene because all the substituents are similar. So it is best to its name is di or tri. Next is nitro. If we take the nitrobenzene as a parent, that at the position number 3 bromine is attached. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So its name is 2-bromo 5-chloronitrobenzene. Next is nitro group is present at the position number 4th, and the parent name is benzoic acid. So its name is 4, this 1 2 3 4. So its name is 4 nitro benzoic acid. And if we take the phenol as a parent, then on the position number 3 chlorine is present. So its name is 3-chlorophenol. Next is starting from benzene. How will you obtain the following compounds? That is chlorobenzene, metadinitrobenzene, benzene sulfonic acid, or toluene. We have discussed the substitutions reaction of benzene, and we also discussed about the different substituent effect on the substituted benzene. So starting from benzene, if we obtain or we synthesize the chlorobenzene, then it is similar to that the bromination of the benzene. So benzene is react with the chlorine in the presence of ferric chloride, then we obtain chlorobenzene. Metadinitrobenzene, if we starting with the benzene, first benzene is treated with nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene is formed. In the second step, against these conditions, in the presence of these condition, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, nitro group is a meta directing group, so we obtain metadinitrobenzene. Benzene sulfonic acid, if we starting from the benzene is react with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, it is converted into benzene sulfonic acid. And if we want to obtain the toluene, then we react benzene with alkyl halide in the presence of aluminum chloride. This is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Then the alkyl group is attached on the benzene ring. And if we want to synthesize the toluene, then we use the methyl chloride, CH3Cl methyl chloride in the presence of aluminum chloride. Then it is converted into methyl benzene or toluene. Thank you. Have a nice day.